understanding the AWS Developer Associate exam.
The AWS Certified Developer Associate exam evaluates your knowledge of developing and maintaining AWS-based applications. It covers AWS core services, best practices, and troubleshooting skills. To succeed, be familiar with exam objectives and question formats. This certification is designed for those with at least 1 year of hands-on AWS experience.
Key focus area, AWS core services.
A significant portion of the exam focuses on AWS core services such as Lambda, DynamoDB, S3, and API Gateway. Understanding how to build, deploy, and manage these services is crucial. Practice creating serverless applications, configuring permissions with IAM, and integrating services to solve real-world problems.
Mastering deployment and security.
Know how to deploy applications using Elastic Beanstalk and CloudFormation. Security is also essential. Understand IAM roles, policies, and encryption mechanisms. Questions often test your practical understanding of least privilege access, safe data storage, and securing application endpoints.
Monitoring, troubleshooting, and optimization.
Be prepared to answer questions about monitoring applications with CloudWatch, debugging issues, and optimizing performance. Learn how to set up appropriate logs, alarms, and metrics. Fine-tuning applications for cost and speed is a key skill, so review best practices for resource allocation and auto-scaling.
Proven exam preparation strategies.
Success on the exam comes from hands-on experience. Use AWS free tier to experiment with services, study official documentation, take practice exams, and review sample questions. Join study groups or forums to learn from others. Consistent, active practice helps reinforce your knowledge and boosts exam readiness.